What are you writing? I am writing a letter. Who are you calling? I am calling my mom. Yes, are you laughing? Yes, I am laughing at the joke. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. What are you buying? I am buying some apples. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim in the pool. Can you run fast? I can run very fast. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride. Can you write your name? Yes, I can write my name. What is this? This is a doll. Can you jump? Yes, I can jump high. Where are you going? I am going to the school. Are you okay? I'm fine. What are you drawing? I'm drawing a cat. What are you eating? I'm eating a cake. Are you washing your hands? Yes, I'm washing my hands. Are you listening? Yes, I'm listening carefully. What are you drinking? I'm drinking water. What are you doing? I'm playing with my doll. Are you dancing? Yes, I'm dancing to the music. What are you drinking? I'm drinking water. Where are you sitting? I'm sitting on the chair. What are you eating? I'm eating a cake. What are you planting? I'm planting flowers. What are you doing? I'm playing with my doll. Can you tie your shoes? Yes, I can tie my shoes. Who are you helping? I'm helping my friend. Are you brushing your teeth? Yes, I'm brushing my teeth. What are you finding? I'm finding my shoes. Can you solve this puzzle? Yes, I can solve this puzzle. Are you singing? Yes, I'm singing a song. Are you ironing your clothes? Yes, I'm ironing my clothes. What are you packing? I'm packing my bag. Are you listening? Yes, I am listening carefully. Can you read this book? Yes, I can read this book. What are you reading? I am reading a book. What is day today? Today is Sunday. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a pet dog. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Can I have some water? Yes, here is some water.